Well, because it's one of the largest events in blockchain industry. And what we do, what I do, our company here at Br'er Rabbit Advisory, is we help companies in the blockchain industry set up their corporate structure and remain compliant. It's probably about the least sexy part of all this. It doesn't have to do with the tech or exciting innovation as far as what new AI projects. But if companies in this industry launch a token, if they launch a project without thinking about where they're registered, right? Are they registered in a jurisdiction that's legal to handle VASP, like virtual assets, like a virtual asset service provider? They're going to have a problem. Are they registered in a country that has like double taxation, right? They're going to have an issue, right? So what we do is we help to make sure that they're structured right from the foundation, right, all the way up to the top. So it helps them for compliance. It helps them in protection from liability and litigation. It helps them when they approach, let's say, a venture capitalist or for investments, right? And that's why I'm here, because it's one of the best. Oh, and it's close to where I live too. So we're headquartered out of Bangkok, and it wasn't a very long time. Longevity has a lot more to do with your foundations. Excuse me, has a lot more to do than just your foundations, right? But without a strong foundation, you simply can't have longevity. So we make sure that the pot, so to speak, right, is full and wide and well watered, and you're taken care of from a corporate structure, right, and a compliance background.
Very good. Now, if I'm trying to think about it, how do you ensure your relevance in the crypto space over a long period of time?
Right. So as long as the crypto space itself kind of ensures the relevance, because as long as people are starting new projects, as long as people are doing business here, there's still, even though it's in the blockchain, there's still a on the ground, right, portion of it where they need a company. Are they going to be registered in the BVI? Are they going to be registered in Panama? Are they going to be registered in Hong Kong? How are they going to deal with the cross-border payments? They're going to need to offboard in fiat. What sort of banks, right, are they going to apply to this crypto-friendly? All these things we help with, from the banking introductions to setting up the companies, to providing nominee directors, nominee shareholder services for people who really want to have their privacy or maybe need a different bank account. So providing trusts, right, for family planning, legacy planning, that sort of thing. So long as the business itself is here, right, since we help set businesses up with a focus on crypto space and staying on top of the new regulations, because the regulations in this space, like jurisdictions are changing and adding new crypto regulations all the time, VASP regulations all the time. So we stay on top of that and make sure we're suggesting the right things for our clients.
Very good. So when you're taking the next steps into actually expanding, where do you see yourself going in the next 6 months?
Well, I see us expanding to really offer more of the services that we do, right? For not just startup, but existing companies to get set up, and also to help companies that may have entered into the wrong agreements, right? That may have lost cash, they entered into some wrong investment agreements, they've been told, oh, we can't get the money, there's no way. We can help investigate with that. So we don't just set up companies, but we also help companies with investigatory services that may have lost assets and different investments having to do with blockchain companies.
All right.
We outsmart complexity, right? We don't have to use a lot of legal terminology to try and impress you. We know what you want from a blockchain standpoint, from a business standpoint, and we just do our best to get you there, set you up right to get you where you need to be. Straightforward, without a lot of fuss and muss.